Hi, the purpose of this short video is to help you to determine the latitude and the longitude of the map boundaries on a topographic map. Here we're looking at just the very bottom half of a topographic map. This one is of the Austin East area in Texas. And when we look at a topographic map, we can see the latitude and longitude noted in the corners of the map. Notice that I see two numbers. In this southwest corner, I see 30 degrees, 15 minutes, and I also see 97 degrees, 45 minutes. If I scroll over here to the southeast corner, I also see two numbers, 30 degrees, 15 minutes, and then 97 degrees, 37 minutes, 30 seconds. Notice that in both of these south corners, the numbers that are the same are 30 degrees, 15 minutes. See how that's the same? That tells me that that is the latitude of the southern boundary of my map. Remember, latitude measures how far north or south you are from the equator. So I could say that the southern boundary, the latitude of the southern boundary of this map is 30 degrees, 15 minutes. So that means that these other numbers are telling me something about the longitude of the map boundaries. And in this case, the longitude of the west boundary of the map is 97 degrees, 45 minutes. And the longitude of the east boundary of the map over here is 97 degrees, 37 minutes, 30 seconds. Now I can scroll up too and see the top of the map and determine the latitude of the northern boundary. And do you see which numbers are the same here? This one is 30 degrees, 22 minutes, 30 seconds. It's the same over here. That's telling me that that is the latitude of my northern boundary. The next thing to consider is how much latitude and longitude is represented by this topographic map. If you notice up here in the name of the map, this is called a 7.5 minute series map. That means that there is 7.5 minutes of latitude and 7.5 minutes of longitude recorded on this map. And an easy way to see that that is the case is to take, in this case we'll look at the longitude, so the east boundary and the longitude of the west boundary, and compare those numbers. Remember, the longitude of the west boundary is 97 degrees 45 minutes. The longitude of the east boundary is 97 degrees 37 minutes 30 seconds. If I subtract those two numbers, I will get 7 minutes 30 seconds. That means that this is a 7.5 minute quadrangle map.